Hello guys, today we will talk about the rigid body tool with the help of cell structure add-ons. So firstly you have to add the cell structure add-on. So you have to go to the edit preference and go to the add-on bar and click the search button and search the cell. So you can see the cell structure. Just click and don't forget to save the preference. So now let's get started. So first I will add a cube and place it up. Then I add some mesh inside the cube. The starty, fine. And then go to the object, quick effect, cell structure. Now you can see the new dialog box. You don't need to do anything. Just click OK. When you click OK, you can see the lots of structure in the cube. So I will delete the original one first. Now you can see the already cracked cube. So now I will play the animation. There is nothing happen. So because of we have to add some rigid body effect on the cube. So go to the again object, rigid body. So make sure the all boxes are selected. So object, rigid body, and click add active. So now I will play the animation. The box goes down, but this is not look like any collision. So if you want some collisions, you have to add a collision object. So I will add a plane. Go to the plane and add a plane, and you also have to add a rigid body effect as a passive on the plane. Then I will play the animation. Boom, you can see a beautiful collision between the plane and the cube. See, so this is cool. So now is the so this is the tutorials. Now is the bonus tip. Bonus tip is that if you want to hide the cracked cube before the collision, so you have to do something. So what you have to do something, I will tell you. So you have to add a cube and place it same the same place and cover the cracked cube and go to the wireframe, then click the cube, original cube, and click a piece of cube and click the control P and object, parent the object and keep transform. Now back to the shaded mode. Now I will play the animation. So the cube is also affect the collisions. So what should I do now? I have to add keyframes. So I press the eye and lock rotations, scale and rotations, then click one, oh, and two. Then click the auto key and scale down, and now yes, so now you can see the perfectly correctly box. If you like the video, please share my video, like, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I will see you the next video. Bye bye.